Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Both Steam and Steam Link must be on the same local network and subnet. Once done, close Steam fully and restart the Steam service so cached connection tokens refresh. This often clears transient 451 issues. Make sure to reboot your Windows 10 PC next, because network stack resets fix lingering socket errors. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it now. Those reroute authentication and commonly trigger a 451. Proceed only when local connectivity is confirmed. Once your system is back, address network and auth layers. You should flush DNS to clear stale records and then reset WinSock so Windows Network APIs return to defaults. Both commands remove corruption that can cause HTTP 451-like errors. Next, inspect Windows Firewall and third-party security. Allow Steam, exe, Steam service, exe and Steam Link through, and ensure port 27036 UDP/TCP is open for streaming. If Steam shows logged out devices, reauthorize to finalize, sign out and back into Steam on the host PC and on the Steam Link. Reauthentication often resolves persistent 451 responses because it forces new OAuth tokens. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the Steam Link app to remove corrupted settings. Make sure Windows date and time are accurate, and clear Steam's download and web cache to avoid stale certificates or session data. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip: create a new Windows user account and test from there to isolate profile-specific corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.